Welcome back to our third video on comparison between Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometry. You can see on the left here we have a triangle whose angles add up to 180 degrees. 60, 40, and 80 add up to 180 degrees. But what about the angles of a triangle on a sphere? What do these add up to? As you can see, we have three line segments. Now this particular program doesn't actually measure out the angles, but this one does. And so you could see that the angles of this triangle are 74.3, 70.9, and 70.4. And if we add those numbers together, we end up with 215.6 degrees. So why is that? Why are the angles of a triangle bigger on a sphere than they are on a plane? Well, the angles are formed by the line segments that are part of a great circle. So they sort of bow out. They have curvature. And so when they have that kind of curvature, the angles end up adding up to more than 180 degrees. In fact, if you wanted to, you could get a triangle whose angles add up to, who has three right angles. Now, I'm not going to be able to do that exactly, but I'm going to be able to get quite close, as you can see. 94, 102. And here we go. Here's 97, 88, and 92. And as you can see, if I play around with this a little bit, I can get a triangle who has three right angles. Can you imagine that? A triangle with three right angles? Would Pythagorean theorem work on such a triangle? Those are all very good questions. So our last examination will be on other types of polygons. That'll be video 4, and that'll be our last video.